Today we starts with the next chapter, that is managing data in MS Excel. In a previous class you studied the addition, deletion and how to edit a text in Excel sheet and making the total of marks and all we studied. Next we will go with the detail about Excel. The first point we studying about using the wrap text feature. What is mean by wrap text feature? Wrap text in the sense you can see here the date and time. This comes in a same two columns, right? Here something you written, you written in a day, date and year, then you press here day. You can see here the before what is there in date and time, date and year, it will be went. This is not visible, so in the time you have to make this as a wrap text. Means idu kaanbekantandre yav tara madbeku. So you have to go to home tab and then press on wrap text. It will be coming in double line. The detail whatever you entered andre ನೀವು ಏನು ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಮರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಡಾಟಾ ಡೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಎರಡು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನೋ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಒಳಗಿತ್ತು ಆಗಲೇ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ two columns. If you delete this one, this is in the two lines, two columns. So if you want to merge the cells, you have to go to view tab, then you see here merge and center. You click on merge and center, it will be merged. This is what the merging of two cells, L and M cells, both cells you merged. This is what merging of two cells. Next point is sorting data. Sort ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕಲಿ A to Z ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ Z to A ಉಲ್ಟಾ. Means filter, you can sort data in descending order as well as a ascending order. You can see here I am using the Excel sheet here. I written the village's name in the form of descending, they are there. You can click here and go to data tab, then click on A to Z. See here the changes will be happened. If you click here and you can sort Z to A, change the changes, you can click here. See here Farishwar to ulta, that descending order and ascending order, it is happened changing. Then after that the next point is filtering data. What is mean by filtering data ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಡಾಟಾ ಬೇಕು, you can see here ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I taken the example of the details of students which are from the which village and which class they are. So I will apply the filtering data option to here. Filter is there, data, you have to go to data tab and click on filter. It will be applied the filter for all, whatever the headings are there, it will be applied for all. Here you can select the whichever data you want to show. Click here, you select here all remove. You only want to watch the 8th standard students data. Otherwise you can only want 9th standard. Press here it will showing only 9th standard who is there in that class. Otherwise you take another one, you can only take the 2nd standard. If you take a 2nd standard, it will be only showing the 2nd standards who are there. See here 2nd standard how many students are there, it will be showing the whichever the 2nd standard students name are there and place is there, it will showing the same. This is what how to apply the filter for your document, Excel document. And also you can check by here, you can see here remove this filter. Remove this and press here. You can press this is place also, you can put a filter. You only want to see the students from Parishwar, click here only Parishwar. Then see here only Parishwar students will appear. If you want again the change a different place you want, if you want only Badas, click here, then remove this, you only see Badas student, how many is there. Then if you want to only see the orally, then orally students will be displayed. This is what how to apply the filter for your documents. and you can see the whatever you want data that will be shown. Okay, then next point is creating a data list. Okay, data list, this is the mainly very important concept. You can easily memorize this one. Okay, this is what creating a data list. Okay, what is mean by data list and how to put the data list in your Excel sheet? You will see data list. Okay, here the place names are given. Okay, all place name we are given. Okay, if you want to all place names in a data format, okay, then we have to do, I will show how to do that one. I am removing this filter offline for that. This in place, okay, this place should be come in a same in the form of same without entering the name, that should be come in a data values. You have to put data values from here to here. I select, okay, and you have to go to data tab. Then in the data tab you have to select data validation. Click on data validation, select data validation here, and you have to take the list of the villages we have to put, right? We have to take the list. Okay, and you have to give the names. Okay, we have to give the names. You can see here the names are given here, thus hourly and this all. Okay, you have to select this all. We have to select from this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ address copy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, you can see here the address of that villages will be stored in this one. Okay, press OK, then you can go to here. If you press on the place, click here, the all villages name are there. Okay, all villages, Avaroli, Badalankalgi, Badas, Devalati, like that. You can see here how many villages are there, they are appearing here. You can goes on selecting whichever the student village is. Okay, you can change. Okay, which this is what the data validation option, how we are using in the Excel sheet. Okay, this is very easy for you to easily you can get the names in a list only. Then you can goes on changing the list name of the village of student, whichever the student belongs to which village, you can change like this. This is the what the main use of the data creating a data list, or you can call it as a data validation. Okay, you can see in your textbook they are using the friends and family. Okay, they have mentioned the Excel sheet in the form of the names are given. Okay, Arjun, Akshay, like that. If they are belong to which family or friends, okay, they are taking the relation here. So we are taking the place here, they are taking the relation. We can also make that same like that. There only two datas are there put in the data list. We put here so many datas. We can see here how many are there. Here 14 villages name we entered. This is how the data validation work. Okay, next point is nothing but remove duplicates. Okay, if you see here, remove duplicates, how it works I will show. Okay, here I will copy these four. I will copy this one and I will paste here in downside. I will paste here downside. So again it came. You have to select which duplicate data is there in which table. You have to select that, and you have to go same tab, that is data tab only, and you have to press on duplicate. One second sir, wait a second. See here. Okay, the remove duplicate option is there. You can see here the second option in data only, data tab only, remove duplicate is there. If you press on that, it will showing. Okay, in which column number P column, right? Then press OK. That's to show 4 duplicate values found and removed, 40 unique values remaining. Okay, I pasted 4 values, right? Avaroli, Badalankalgi, Badas and Chikdunkov here, but they are removed and 14 unique values are remaining. This is what how to use the remove duplicate option. Okay, then next point is grouping cells group. How to group the cells andre ಈಗ unwanted groups ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ lengthy this one is a lengthier is their Excel file. If you want to group these lines rows, okay, you can take rows. This you want to rows, you have to make a group. You have to go to same data tab only, then you press the group. See, this is group done, and here you can clicking on minus, it will be went. Okay, andre idu display agala if you opening the this one excel sheet, that grouped on excel sheet is not viewing. So if you press on plus, it will be showing. This is what grouping a cells. Okay, grouping the cells. If you want to remove this one, you have to go here and ungroup. See, ungroup, it will be went. ಮೊದಲು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್. ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ freezing rows and columns. Freezing rows and columns. Freezing rows and columns is used in ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೇನ್ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ 8 ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ 8 ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇನ್ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಪೇಜ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ 53, ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು this. Whichever data you want to freeze, you have to select here. After selecting 1 to 9, okay, I want student name also, this rows. Okay, you have to go to view tab. Okay, that is you can see here, view tab. Here freeze frames is there. Click on that, then freeze. Okay, see here, freeze frame, freeze. Click on freeze. You can see here, drag. If you drag here, for all lines it is freezed, means ಡಾಟಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಡಾಟಾ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಬೋದು. ಏನು ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇದೇನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ what you see in this one, you can see what is there. This is student name, this is place and standard. So this is use of the freezing the Excel sheet rows and columns. Okay, if you can same apply for columns also. If your rows you want and columns you also means you can apply for that also. That will be column freezing. Okay, column and rows freezing. Then next point, that is nothing but adding and deleting worksheets. Worksheets means you can see here, this is what the Excel sheet we call it as. These are the Excel sheets. Okay, you take the new sheets. Okay, you can get to know I taken here new sheet, that is nothing but the book 1. You can see here, these are the sheet 1. By default, whenever you open the sheet, Excel sheet, by default there will be 3 sheets. Okay, if you want to add another one, click on here, it will be sheet 4, again sheet 5, like that. Okay, if you want to edit that, if you simply double click on that. Otherwise, click here, right click here, and you can do it here, rename the sheet, my sheet. Okay, my sheet, like this. Whatever you name you want, you can put. Then second also you can edit, my sheet 2, like that. Okay, this is what the adding the sheets. And if you want to remove this sheet, if you don't want this sheet, you simply right click on that, press on delete, it will be went. Okay, see here, all sheets I removed, only 2 sheets I kept. Okay, only my sheet and my sheet 2. This is what adding and deleting the worksheets. Okay, and rename also you done. How to rename the worksheets also you done. Okay, this is what your 5th chapter, that is nothing but the Excel sheet. Okay, information communication, managing data in MS Excel sheet. Okay, managing data means ಡಾಟಾ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಾಟಾ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಕಲ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ಲಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಸೀನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ wrap text and some merge and center we learned. Then in data tab we learn about filter, and we learn about ascending and descending, sorting and filtering. Then we seen about remove duplicate, data validation, then grouping and ungrouping, and freezing in comes under view tab. And also we learn about the sheets, how to make our adding a sheets and renaming a sheets and deleting a sheets. What you this is what about your 5th chapter. Go through the video with the textbook, you read it twice. Okay, read it twice, you will get to know what is there. And if you have computers or laptops in home, you practice this one, you will get to know what is Excel sheet and how to handle with this data. Okay, data in MS Excel sheet. Okay, data in MS Excel you can handle, and you can solve the exercise and send me the images. Okay, thank you.